is our pore. This is one pore. Okay. First reason is that when skin has a lot of dead skin, it is going to block the pore. And then also a lot of remember, sebum is a very good protection for our skin. Don't hate sebum. But when sebum, there's a lot of sebum, it is blocked, and bacteria called acne is the name of bacteria, and it is going to attack. It is going to attack the skin. That's why this part becomes, and skin is not stupid. It is going to attack too. The red becomes bigger because there's a fight between the bacteria and the skin. And after that, what happens is dead body of bacteria and dead body of the soldiers here are gathered here. And then what you do? Oh, good. And you squeeze, right? When you squeeze, immediately this bacteria dies. Why? They hate O2. So dead skin, that means air cannot come in. That's why bacteria is happy to live inside. Fight between the skin, and it becomes red, and then you have the acne.